Hey everybody, it's Mindy, and I have a very special diamond painting to show you. It is a sneak peek for Diamond Art Club, and it comes out on June 4th. So what's special about it is I believe that the paintings coming out on June 4th are all Pride paintings, if I'm not mistaken, because June is the month for Pride. So this one I had to do a little bit of digging and a little bit of research on to figure out exactly what I had here. So as you can see, it's Batman. And it's DC Comics. So let's get into it. Look at this box, though. This is one of those special boxes. Look at, there's Batman and Joker and all the characters there. So let me tell you what I learned about this painting. Let's get it out and I'll show you. All right. I went online first, and then I talked to a friend who is a huge Batman and DC comic fan, and I learned a little bit about this. I knew who the characters were, but I wasn't quite sure about their relationship. All right, so let me show you what it is. This is the little sticker. It is called Partners in Crime. And it is just a square. Yep, square. And it is a 51 by 76 centimeter painting. It's very, very pretty. It's very colorful. I like the colors in it. It's very pretty. All right, let's show you the toolkit, and then we'll get on to the painting. What is in our toolkit? Lots of goodies. So here comes all the goodies. All right, so let's start with the tweezers. We have the black tweezers that say Diamond Art Club. I'm gonna guess that my tray is the clear one, because when you have black tweezers, you typically have a clear boat. Let's see. We have a yellow pen. We have some multi-placers here. The 7 and the 4 placer, the thin ones, my very favorite. And here's our stopper for our tray. Let's see our tray. Oh boy. Yep. See, it's the clear one. So the clear usually goes with the black pen, and the more cloudy, opaque looking one usually has a pink pen. They all have gold sparkles in them though. So here's our stopper. You can put a little label on there if you choose to do so. There's your tray. All right. Here's your bag of baggies. Love that. Here's our yellow squishy. See, these always tend to match for me. I wonder if they do for everybody. There's your yellow squishy and your yellow pen. Here is our cute little wax caddy, little heart-shaped caddy to hold your waxes in. There's 2 of them in there. Seal them up, keep them neat and clean and hair-free. And then we have a washi tape. This is very pretty. It's just a floral. And it's very blurry right now because I'm not zoomed in very good. Hello. There we go. Thank you. A very pretty floral washi tape. Very nice. And then this is a cover minder. I have never gotten this type of a cover minder before. Look, it is cool. It's just like this, hello, tie-dyed sunburst. It's very pretty. It's like an acrylic, plasticky maybe, I don't know, magnet on the back. That's very pretty. I have never gotten one like that before. Love it. Okay. All right. Now I got to zoom you out again. Let's get into the painting. All right. What do we have? I have a puppy dog coming to say hello this morning. You might hear her click, click, click on the floor. All right. Their tarpaulin canvas is very soft on the back, and it is scalloped and has these like little pokey holes to keep it from fraying. We're gonna roll it backwards. This poured glue is, oh, look at those colors. Can you see those colors? Super pretty. I'm gonna roll it backwards to get everything out of the inside. And it makes it lay down like right now. These lay down very quickly. This canvas is super nice, but this just helps it a little bit. Okay, what do we have? What do we have? We have our information sheet. Okay, work with me here. Come on, work with me. I usually stick it under my arm, but sometimes I squish it. Just sit there. There, just sit there. Perfect. All right, here's our information sheet. Tips, tricks, directions, things like that, codes. All kinds of stuff in here. If you do not have a code to purchase at Diamond Art Club and get some money off, I have one you can use. It is 10 off Mindy. It will save you $10 off your very first purchase at Diamond Art Club. And then after that, there are codes in your box, on your canvas, in the VIP group on Facebook. Find a code. Save some money, right? Save some money. Ooh, this has 67 colors. I told you it was colorful. Okay, are you ready for this? It is called Partners in Crime. You can put your start and end date here. This whole thing is a sticker, so you can stick this wherever you would like. Your Sizing information is down here, and here are your symbols. Whoa, 67 of them. Look at all of those symbols. Okay, so do you see this picture? We'll look at it on the canvas up close. So what I knew is that this has to be Poison Ivy and Harley Quinn. What I didn't understand is why the two would be in an embrace. I didn't think they were that close, but apparently they are. So I'm a little behind, right? Anything under 140 in our list is an AB, or under 150, excuse me. I saw 140, so I said 140. 140 is an AB, and it looks like it's a blue because it's under 150. 135, a green. 121, another blue. 107, a red possibly. That's my take, my guess, okay? But look at the rainbow, you know, pride and the rainbow. We got the rainbow going through across their faces and hands. And they are in an embrace because apparently, you know, the two ladies started out as, you know, girlfriends to the bad guys in Batman, then had some opportunities to work on some things together and kind of realized they had feelings for each other, I guess. So that's the best way I can put it. Yeah. Anyhow, there's our drills. Partners in Crime is the name of it. And look at all of the beautiful colors. I mean, this is going to be beautiful, right? Beautiful. Okay, so down at the bottom is all of our information again, right? And here is our drill field. Let's get you up real close. We'll show you the drill field. Nice, clear drill field. Look at that, right? Very lovely. Their squares are very, very nice. They have worked very hard to produce their squares, and they have got them down to a science, and they're beautiful. They're beautiful. Okay, now we got to go back out. Okay, there we go. Oh, look at it. It's a skinnier painting than I was expecting. Skinnier and long. Wow, okay. I like it. All right. So down here we have Poison Ivy. Of course, I knew this was Poison Ivy because she's green, right? And we've got all these, you know, flowers. She's the botanist, the plant lady, right? And then this is Harley Quinn. And they're just in a, you know, tender embrace. It's very pretty. Very pretty. I love all the colors, the flowers throughout. Look at, she's got her bow, her headband bow on her head. Look at, she's got some jewelry here hanging off her ear, her earring. Very pretty. It's just very peaceful, isn't it? And very just, I like it. The colors are gorgeous. Look at this legend, you guys, with 67 colors. That's a big whomping legend. There's one there. And of course, there's one over on this side. We got beautiful poured glue. Their plastic is thicker. I like that. It doesn't tear easily. I like it. It's so pretty. So pretty. Look at all these bracelets on her arm. Love it. Love it. It's very gorgeous. Talk about rainbow. This will be rainbow, right? Yeah. So what do you think? Did you follow along with the comic series and you know what's going on? Apparently, some of the relationship is in the comics, not necessarily in movies, but anyhow, it is what it is, right? Let me know if you follow along with it and you know the whole storyline, because like I said, I had to do a little research to figure out everything. So there you go. It's beautiful. Let's look at the drills, all right? We'll open up the drills and we'll see those. Oh, I left one behind. Left one in the bag. It's a pretty purple, 3746 purple, one of my favorite colors. Well, purple is my favorite color, and 36 is a beautiful shade of purple. So, what else do we have? Let's go hunting and see what ABs we have, and let's look at this beautiful rainbow of colors. And let's start with a peach. And here's our 3371, 2 bags of them. 814 is a burgundy color, beautiful. Here's an orange. Here's our first AB. It's 107, which is red. Very beautiful. Aurora Borealis. It's an iridescent coating on the drills. I said that funny. Iridescent. It makes them sparkle and shine and pick up all the colors of the rainbow. And boy, do they pop when you put them on your canvas. 2 319s. A couple black, 310. Another peach. 939, 2 bags of that. That's a very dark blue. A 336, another darker blue. A pink. Look at the purples. Oh my goodness, so many pretty purples in this one. A green and a mint. Love those. What else do we have? Oh, that is like that purple color, the 121. That's pretty. That's our next AB. That's beautiful. Love that. That's fitting with all the purples we have in this, right? Because here's two more purples. Another orange, a couple more greens, a brown, another green, yellow, purple, pink. Now we get some tans, another brown, a light blue, a couple more greens, a gray, 3807 is a purple, 702 is green. I really didn't think there were going to be this many purples in it, but there's a lot. Okay, let's keep going. We got 67 colors. Yellow, another purple, pink, blue, orange, like a goldenrod, brown, tan. There's another AB, that green color. That's a very commonly used green. It's that bright green. It's very pretty. An olive green, pink, tan, 340, purple, 3851, some more greens, tan, green, yellow, green. A lot of green too, right? Of course we're going to have a lot of green. All right, and then here is our last strand. Nope, these are in two pieces here. Hang on. All right, we have this pretty red, 498, 743 yellow, another darker blue, and a lighter blue. Nice. Did I find all the ABs? Oh, no, there's one in here. There's one left, folks, one left. So this is like a very dark teal or turquoise color. And look at that one. That's the last AB right there. And that's very pretty. There's a bunch of those too. Love that one, that's pretty. A brown, a green, a red, a lighter green, and another blue. Very pretty. Okay, nice, nice colors. Well, what are our ABs? They are, let's see, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Oh my goodness, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I'm gonna do the best I can do here to pick out a good selection of them. I might not find them all. Whoops, zoom in, I want you in. It was in already, so sorry. Come on, work with me, camera. There we go. Okay, so now you gotta focus. If you see here, there's a bunch of that blue, the 4s around this. This looks like a, I don't know, a flower, maybe some sort of abstract flower. There's 4s around that, and that's that blue, and they run through here as well. There's some purple, a little bit of purple in here. See, there's a few purples. Let's see, more purple here. These are like petals, purple. Like I said, there's a lot going on here. More purple up through here and through here. Purples are kind of spattered everywhere there. Purple over here. And more of that beautiful blue around this petal here. Let's see. Purple in here again. See the purple over here? We got more purple. So I'm finding lots of purple and blue so far. Let's see. Looking for ones. Okay, the ones are the red. I'm finding that in here now. Right through here. What is that? That's on her hand, right? That's like a bracelet or something on her hand. More red coming through here. There's a spot here, a big spot here. What color was the 2? There's not very many. The 2 is the purple. I haven't found the green. That's what I haven't found. Oh, and as I say that, look, here's some right here. There's the green. All right, that's just the top part. All right, going, going, going. Like I said, I won't find them all, but I can give you just a whole bunch of red through here in this, her bow. On her bow here, a lot of red through there. Some more purples over in here. More, a little blue. It's just kind of everywhere, you guys. Every place that needs a little highlight is getting it. Some blue through here. Lots of reds throughout here, just going all around throughout here. And then over here, we have red just kind of trailing through everywhere. And let's see. I don't see anything over here. Anything down here at the bottom. Got a few more purples. And let's go over to the bottom corner over here. What do we have over here? A few more blue, blue, blue. So yeah, they're like all over this canvas. So that is going to be beautiful because they're just going to, this canvas is going to have little spots of sparkle all over the place, right? So through here is a lot of red, through here. And then in her bow, those are some of the biggest spots, but then there's just spatters of it, just outlining things everywhere that need a little highlight. What do you think? What do you think? So it's very pretty. I love the colors, super colorful. It's going to be fun to do. Yeah, so you can get this. Like I said, it's available June 4th, Saturday. If you are a Diamond and Ruby member, it will be available at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time or 12 Eastern Standard Time. And general release is a half an hour later. So that's what I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think. All right, let me know what you think. And let me know if you plan on getting it. So thank you, Diamond Art Club, for sending it to show everybody. And enjoy. I hope to see you soon. I hope you come back. And I hope you have a great day. So I will talk to everybody soon. And have a wonderful day. Bye, you guys.